Quickly demonstrate. I have a brand new product out. I have 3 sets now of AI presets. Working on a summer essentials pack, but I wanted to truly do a one click. So without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate it. I'm clicking on the preset right now, and my entire subject is going to be retouched, as you can see. Her skin, eyes, lips, hair, clothing, she's sharpened, airbrushed, everything is completely done. 90% of my work. Just want to show you before and after. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see my subject space a little bit more clear. All right, so here is the after, and I'm going to just move the slider down to 0 so you can see before. All right, there's before, and then with the one click, after. It's literally a dream. So that is my brand new set, and I want to also show you the Click and Go Pro Drama is for a more dramatic look. So I'm gonna show, if you can see that from a distance, but I also want to zoom it in a little bit closer. If you desire more of like a painted look, this does all the dodging and burning for you. This enhances the image, it makes it more of a painterly effect, and it does it fast. So gone are the days of tedious masking, painting on and off, no more. And it isolates my subject from the background, which is totally awesome. So I'm just gonna increase it so that the effect is a little bit stronger so you can really get a good look. All right, so here is with the effect, and here is before. And then again, the Click and Go Pro Original, one click, and it's enhanced. So pretty amazing. And it's also really awesome that you can move the sliders and adjust it to your liking. The only other thing that I would do to this image to further enhance it, for this to be completely done, is really probably color pop on the background. And I would just decrease it a little because I don't want it too bright. I wanted to keep it a little bit soft, but add a little bit of color. Speaking of soft, I will do a soften the background, and like I said, it just completely isolates the background from your subject. And then if you want, you could always like lift more of the shadows from the face just with one click. Everything is completely done for you. So I hope this tutorial was very simple and straightforward. There's several different presets within my AI preset Portrait Essentials, and then even the newborn Portrait Essentials I often will use on images like this, even though it's not a newborn. We can also brighten the entire background. I also have, if you can see, this looks really beautiful too. If you wanted to just brighten just your subject, I have all of that here. And you can also, I have airbrushed skin, airbrush the face. I have all of that as well within this set. I just thought that I thought it would be nice to truly have a set where basically all of these are combined into one simple one click. Some people prefer to have both, or some people prefer to just have one click and have 90% of your work done, and then maybe run a couple of the presets from my Lindsey Lee's AI Portrait Essentials. So I'm so glad that you guys watched this demo. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna hit OK, and this will bring it back into Photoshop. I'm using it in Adobe Camera Raw. You could also use these presets in Lightroom. So if you want to stick around and wait, I can click on and off so you can see the true on a fuller screen before and after, and that took me seconds. So before, after, before, after. Also, you know, you can always create a layer mask in Photoshop if you wanted to mask anything off from anywhere. But that is it. That is my new invention, which I feel is such a lifesaver, along with a couple of my other presets from the Portrait Essential collection. Thank you guys so much for watching.